Hello, in this short video I'll just show you how to customize your Jing buttons so that you can easily retrieve the embed code for your video. So if you're looking at the top of the screen here, you can see my yellow sun, my Jing. The first icon is for you to capture your video. The second icon gives you a history of what you've done already. And the third one is the cogs that give you more options. So I'm going to click on that one. And it opens up again with a range of options. You can finish in here, so it can exit out of where we are. You can send some feedback. You can update your preferences. You can seek help, and you can exit Jing, which would close the sun off your screen altogether. What we want is the preferences icon, the big one in the middle. If you click on that, you can see you can manage your account. And then down the bottom, there's this share options with the customized buttons. This is the one you want. Click on that one, and it will give you an option to customize. Now at the moment, the existing share button shares the URL via your screencast, or you can save it as a file on your own computer and you can copy it. I've already added an embed code button there, so this one here is showing you that it will take me to the embed code. So what you need to do to be able to add a button like this is click on the new. And here it just gives you a description for your button, and I've called mine screencast for embed code, so that it was quite clear it was different to the other one because they're the same actual icon. It links to my account, so if your account is not correct or it's not there, you could click on the change and go through and either create a new account if you didn't have one already, or use your existing account. Copy URL contents to the clipboard. That's where you want to click down there and go. You want the embed code. Okay, so what it's going to copy now to your clipboard is the embed code rather than just the URL. And I'm just going to leave it at the default folder for Jing. If you want people to be allowed to add comments, you can add that there as well. And I'm just going to click save. And as you can see, I've now got a new embed code button come up. And I'm going to close that. And I'm finished here in my customize, so I'm going to click the tick and finish there as well. So now just to show you how that works, let's go up to our Jing Sun. Let's do a capture. I'm just going to capture some junk on my screen here. I'm going to do a little video capture. Okay, so we're starting our capture. I can start doing things on my screen. I can start talking. I can open up my Word document or my Excel, etc., etc. And everything that I'm doing on my screen will be captured here. So if I just go out and select a Word document. Alright, so I've finished capturing my video, so I'm going to click on my Finish button, and I can give my file a name, something meaningful, like in this case I'm just going to go test. And then for how I actually do it, I'm going to click on now the embed code icon that we just created. It will now automatically upload the video to your own screencast.com account and put it into the Jing folder. And once it has finished, the embed code will be copied onto your clipboard in your computer. So I'm just going to close that Word document while the video is uploading, which takes a little time. I'm just going to go and open my Weebly account. Okay, so I've got one here at the moment that I just set up before we started called No Title. So I'm just going to edit that, and I'm going to give it a title just called Jenny P. Demonstration. Well, it helps if I can type. And I'm just going to use the subdomain, which is the free one. And I'm just going to put Jenny P98 demo. So now I'm at my Weebly site, and once my Jing is finished uploading and I've got the embed code on my clipboard, I want to be able to put my video into my Weebly site. So I'm just going to scroll down here. It says that the page is empty, drag elements, and up the top here you can see a custom HTML. So you just need to drag that box down onto your page, and as soon as we're finished, there you go. Okay, so our screencast has now finished, and it's embedded the embed code ready to be pasted. So I'm just going to now do a paste, and that code that was put onto my clipboard is here copied onto the site. Now, you might find sometimes that the width of the player is too big. At a width of 1067, yes, I would say that's definitely too big. So I'm going to halve that. I'm going to make it 535, and I'm also going to halve the height one to 80. So that will keep it in perspective, and that should be all I need to do there. So I'm just going to click off my element, and you will see the video turn up on the page. Let's publish that. And we can go out and have a look at my demo site. And there you go, there's your Jing video embedded on your Weebly website. Oh, it's going to take a few moments to load. Okay, so when starting our capture, So that's how you embed your Jing code into Weebly. If you're using Yola, Jimdo, or some other web creation tool, you'll find they all have a HTML type element or widget that you can add to your page. And then you do the same thing, you just paste the embed code into that box and save and publish.